Hello and welcome to Thailand. Today in the Night Garden Friends are going to go to the park and they're going to play some football. But first in the Night Garden Friends, I want you to clean up all your toys. It's important to clean up first before you go. Let's see what toys they have. Oh, it's their little emoji keychain. And then their squishy sparkly jelly. Oh, and then their owl poppet. And then their duck pencil sharpener. And then their yellow blog. If you press on this, it goes really high. Watch. Whoa, that was high. Okay, then, Night Garden Friends, it's time to clean up. Right now, let's sing the clean-up song. Oops, iggle piggle fell down. There we go. Let's sing the clean-up song. Clean up, everybody do their share. Clean up. In the Night Garden Friends are ready to go. Here comes the Hot Wheels car. La 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 la. Iggle Piggle's going to be the driver today. Upsy Daisy's going to ride next to him. And Packer, you're the perfect size for the back seat. And they put the football into the boot. It's time to go to the park. La 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 la. The park is this way where the trail goes. They lead onto the trail on the Teletubbies map. They're almost there. La 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 la. Beep. La 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 la. Here comes. Let's get out of the car then. Here's the football. It's time to play some football then. Iggle Piggle wants to go first. He's going to go and catch it to Packer, and Upsy Daisy has to try and block it. Whee! Yeah, Iggle Piggle won, and thank you for coming to... Uh-oh. Iggle Piggle knocked down the characters. Are you okay? Says Iggle Piggle. Yes. It's time to go home. Here comes the car. La 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 la. Oh dear, Iggle Piggle is all wet. So am I. We need to get back inside as soon as possible. Everyone get back in the car. Oh, put the ball back in. La 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 la. It looks like that my cat has laid down on the Teletubbies playmat whilst we were gone. And thank you for coming to Thailand. Please subscribe for my videos. Goodbye. We really hope you enjoyed this video for today. We're here to ask our fans for a bit of help. We only have 6 subscribers on Thailand, and it'll be really helpful if you subscribed. Here's the red subscribe button, and you can subscribe, and you can turn on the post notifications so you can be a part of the Toy Squad. And for those fans who have already subscribed to my channel, we want to give a great big thank you.